Good evening. This is the back to school night video for the IB2 physics course. You probably know me quite well already. I've been teaching your children physics in IB1 and have really enjoyed it. And I hope that they are going to do really well this year. My teaching philosophy is that I believe that all students can do really well in physics with applied application and effort. But obviously, students have got their own goals that they have set for themselves. Students usually do very well in physics, and it is not unusual to have the majority of the class scoring 6s and 7s in the final assessment. So in year one, we have completed much of the curriculum. Standard levels completed the mechanics, circular motion, thermal physics, waves, electricity and magnetism, and they also got a chance to do a practice IA. High level have done the standard level curriculum, and they also did gravitational fields, wave phenomena, and some of the electromagnetic induction section. So this year we have got the final IA. Usually it is worth 20% of the final grade, but in this year with some moderation, some changes, it is going to be worth 30%. And then we still have to do the topics 7 and 8, the nuclear physics and energy production topics for standard level and high level, and then the high level quantum physics. And then we will review the entire curriculum, and students will have the opportunity to write a number of mock exams to see where they need to focus their review. And it also helps me to reteach and to re-go over certain concepts. So how do students do well in physics? Well, they need a basic knowledge of the laws and principles and formulas, definitions, and these have to be really learned well. It's on the basis of this that students will build their understanding. And then there's plenty of problem solving to be done. So applying and using the formulas in practical situations helps the students to really develop an understanding of the key concepts. In assessments, they will be doing a paper 1, which is multiple choice, and then a paper 2, which is the longer type, and then the internal assessment, which they are doing right now. This is worth 30% of their final grade, and so it's really important for students to do well in this so that they have got a head start when they head into their final assessments. Basically, to get a 7 or in standard level, you need probably over 65%, and for a 7 in higher level, probably 70 and above will guarantee one a 7. But these are the grade boundaries. You can see that in physics, grade boundaries can be low. So even though a student may come out of the exam not feeling very confident, it may well turn out that they actually do really well in the end. So there's lots of resources. We have the Canvas page. We have a Google folder with lots of resources. There is a Quizlet with all the definitions. There's many video resources that I have on the Google site. And students are always welcome to come and ask me extra questions outside of class. We have 3 different textbooks also that they can use. Please come and see me. We can make extra arrangements, and if necessary, also we can also do some Zoom sessions if required. And if students want to find me at any time, please use my email, and we can make an appointment to meet. Thank you very much.